Huh. Oh. The strangest thing I've ever seen. Getting around pretty good now. Tickles. Tummy rubs. Okay. He's got a pretty good stance. Oh, yeah. Oh, pause right in. Let's go over. Pretty good. It's a nice. Yeah. Sound like me when I. Yeah, he's getting big. He's a monster. Yeah. Yeah, they stink when they wreck.
That's her mom's favorite. She's like, what?
So they started out like way smaller than me. Now they're like double the size, triple. Yeah. He's kind of my favorite. Bunch of psychos.
She wants to go outside and bury them.
Good. Round 2.
Are you gonna go
Okay.
around again?
Of course.
Squishy for tail.
Yeah.
Wait, Dad, see if they fall into the deep stuff.
Okay. That might be hard. Figure it out. Not quite. Yeah, over. All right, let's bring him in. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, over here. Over here, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Is that all of them? Holy moly, they're everywhere. Okay. In you go. There you go. No, not quite. In there.
They like it.
No, they don't want to. Okay. Whoa.